Hello, friends. Today I will be talking about life insurance and estate planning and how the two concepts are intertwined and are connected to one another. So, how when we address the concept of estate planning or how we address the question of estate planning, we start paying attention to life insurance because life insurance is a very strong and a powerful estate planning tool. And how, when we look at life insurance, we are addressing some very important uh, concerns relating to estate planning. So we can't isolate the two, they both kind of come together in very interesting ways because of the value that life insurance offers uh, to us in terms of the benefit it has in its offering. So today I'm going to talk about the two things. Before I move forward, I wanted to talk a little about estate planning. And what is estate planning? Estate planning is actually it's a process of arranging and managing an individual's assets in anticipation of death or incapacitation. Its primary goal is to ensure that a person's assets are distributed according to their wishes while also minimizing taxes and legal fees. Estate planning typically involves creating legal documents such as wills, trusts, powers of attorney, and advance directives. It also involves reviewing your beneficiary designations on assets such as life insurance policies and retirement accounts. So that's a very important part. Additionally, estate planning may involve strategies to address specific concerns such as providing for minor children, planning for incapacity, minimizing state taxes, or protecting assets from creditors. In a nutshell, estate planning aims to provide peace of mind and clarity regarding the management and distribution of assets during and after an individual's lifetime. So, for several reasons, life insurance can be a crucial component of estate planning. And one of the reasons is income replacement. So if the insured person passes away, the life insurance payout can actually replace lost income of the family, ensuring financial liquidity, financial stability for the surviving members of the family. Second, it also creates estate liquidity. So, what happens is that life insurance proceeds can provide immediate cash to cover expenses such as funeral cost, estate taxes, and debts, ensuring that assets in the estate don't need to be sold off hastily. So, all the expenses that happen at the time of death, like funeral costs and estate taxes and debts, life insurance can take care of it because it creates immediate cash, it creates that liquidity to take care of those estate costs. Third thing is that it creates equalization in inheritance. So, life insurance can help equalize inheritance among heirs. So, if there are a few people as heirs, especially if certain assets are difficult to divide, big homes and fixed assets that are sort of, on a very complicated scale. or if one heir receives non-liquid assets like real estate while others prefer cash. So for this equalization, so that everybody receives equally, life insurance proceeds can play a very important role. The fourth reason is what we call business succession. So let's say there is a business owner and that business owner passes away. Upon that individual's death, life insurance can provide funds for the smooth transition of business ownership. So as business ownership shifts from the person who's passed away to the person who's going to be the new owner or set of individuals who will be new owners, life insurance can provide funds for the smooth transition of that ownership. Also ensuring that there is stability and continuity for the company. So if the business typically requires some kind of expertise, that expertise can be outsourced simply because if the individual who's passed away was contributing, or was his contribution or her contribution was in the form of those skills, then that skill set can be outsourced simply because there is liquidity in the organization that can therefore ensure continuity and stability of the company. So there is less commotion and less complication. Charitable giving is another very important aspect to look into. Life insurance proceeds can be designated for charitable purposes. So individuals can actually leave a legacy and support a cause that they care about. So I know of people who have charitable organizations as beneficiaries, and that really is a very important tool. So by integrating, now if you integrate life insurance into your estate plan, individuals then can ensure their loved ones are financially protected at the time of death, and their assets are distributed according to their wishes. So that happens. And what also happens is that all this happens while tax liabilities are minimized and other, complications are also reduced. So life insurance is an amazing tool. Once integrated in your estate plan, it can really help you in establishing that peace of mind, establishing that there is financial security for your loved ones, for your assets will then get distributed in a manner that would be it would be done the way you desired it, and also there'll be you can ensure minimization of tax liabilities, and you can also ensure minimization of potential complications in the process of doing all that. So life insurance is therefore a very important tool. I cannot I cannot say enough good things about it, but all I can say is that it's very important to look at how life insurance benefits us, not just emotionally, but also in within the tax system, within the estate planning procedures, how it has a very important role to play. And I look forward to talking more on all this in more detail and we're going to talk about other aspects as we move forward. You know, and the topic can be, it's a very vast topic. It's a very advanced topic, and it's constantly evolving because of the developments in the insurance industry, and how with changes in the financial system, and how aspects of inheritance, in aspects of estate liquidity, in aspects of income replacement, business succession. It's another huge topic. So how company-owned life insurance policies work, we're going to talk in our forthcoming topics, forthcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I look forward to speaking more. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. I will be happy to assist you in getting those answers, and I look forward to doing another video very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.